Right now we're going to look at how core equity works in comparison to using just standard equity when factoring in or setting out your risk parameters. In this case, we're going to walk through firstly our account portfolio, so our GLV, which is our gross liquidation value, or the equity, in other words, we've got coming to the table, profit and loss, margin, and our core equity. So the way core equity works is we want to take away any potential losses that might come up in the future. So core equity is factoring in that any open trade we've got is going to be a losing trade, and we're going to lose exactly what we were prepared to risk on each of those trades. You subtract those losses, okay, that haven't necessarily occurred yet, away from our equity we come to the table with, and that will give us our core equity. So in this example, let's say we held a BHP position open. It was trading at £35. We held 1,000 of them. Just for the example's sake, we're going to leave it at £35 current trading price. There's no P&L on this position just yet. And our 2% of $5,000 is what we were willing to risk on this trade. So we have a £100 loss, or potential £100 loss. Okay, so that's what we're willing to risk on this trade. So we therefore set our stop loss on BHP accordingly. Now, if we wanted to now enter a new position, we have to work out what our core equity is to then factor in what we're going to now risk on our next trade. So in this case, to get our core equity, we're taking the potential risk or the potential losses on any open positions. In this scenario, we've got that £100 on our BHP. So therefore, we take our original equity of £5,000, subtract the £100 that we've got at risk, which will give us a core equity of $4,900. Now, still continuing to run on the idea of risking 2% based on our core equity, then that means for the next trade, we're willing to risk £98 because that's 2% of our new core equity figure, which is £4,900.